Right, we've got to move pitch. We've all got to move because it started to come. Because over there, as you know, is the bit of well, it's a brook really, but it's like a bloody river. So we've got to move to another pitch. So we're taking our time now. That poor man's.
Seatbelt on.
No, I'm fine.
It'll go off. The man's car there.
I know. Look at that poor man's car there in the water. Look at it. It's like a river.
Up there, look.
All the way up there. It's really, really bad. God. Yeah. Look at it all pouring in there. Look at the bloody bin there. Just take your time. Oh God, you're going to see, you know when we filmed the log flume yesterday, you're going to see how high it is in a minute. Look at it here. Look how high it is now. That was a 4-foot drop. Look at it all over there.
There's the road there.
I can't see the road. There it is.
It's not. It's there.
Where?
There, look.
That's the road there. But there's a road there as well.
Look, they're pictures.
Yeah, but there's a bump there.
That's the pitch.
Oh, is it a pitch? Oh shit. Jesus, look at it. Can you see alright, love?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh. Hooray, we made it.